Hi, Virgo. Welcome to your reading. This is a general reading for the sign of Virgo. If you have Virgo anywhere in your birth chart, this is your reading. It is a general reading, so take what resonates and leave the rest. You know what is for you and what is not for you. Thank you, Spirit. Messages for the sign of Virgo. Virgo, let's talk about the moon this week. The moon will be in the first quarter phase in the constellation of Aquarius. During that time, passions will be on hyperdrive. We may be tempted to see things that are not done or that we have not or need to be done. We can counteract this negative mindset by making time to celebrate how far we have come and what we have already accomplished. Thank you, Spirit. Messages for the sign of Virgo. And what a wonderful time to really celebrate all that we have accomplished during the week of gratitude, which is the week of Thanksgiving. Thank you, Spirit. Happy Thanksgiving, Virgo. The final days of the week the moon will move into the Waxing Gibbous phase, moving through the constellations of Pisces, Aries, and Taurus. Pisces heightens our awareness to our physical environment, and Aries can have us feeling rushed. Taurus asks us to seek self-respect. I will post and link additional self-care and overcoming negativity tools and information in the description box, so please do visit the description box of this reading. And the foundation, the basis of this reading, Virgo, is the Death card. And many times with the Death card, I'll say it lacks color. And why I say that, if we look carefully at the flag and we look at the horse, we can see that they are white. They lack color. And something is missing. Something is not there. We are seeking, we are looking, we need to add color to our lives. And that is driven by the Seven of Cups. And the Seven of Cups, gluttony, wisdom, lack of wisdom, shadow self. Why I say shadow self is if we look closer at that, we can see that this person is their shadow self. Their shadow self is lost in the want, in the envy, in the abundance, or lack of abundance. Let's see how that plays into the rest of your reading here, Virgo. Thank you, Spirit. Messages for the sign of Virgo. In Virgo, we start off with the Queen of Wands in your public life. A knowing, a wisdom, intuition, trusting our intuition, finding or seeking or listening to our inner wisdom, our inner knowledge. And the Tower card. The Tower card has been coming up quite a bit in the readings this week, Virgo. And I really do believe it's just the beginning of the holiday season. The holiday festivities are really just starting to kick off. And we're really worried about our schedule and really worrying about our timing and how that is going to play in. And just judgment and not seeing the the fairness, not seeing the judgment in something. Something that seems unfair has occurred. Something has occurred that you do not see the sense, the logic in it. Look, there is another option, there is another choice. You have free time, you have available time. Use this time to create a solid foundation for your career. There has been changes. There has been big changes that you've been wanting to make happen or that has happened. That has given you the time somebody underestimating you, somebody not seeing your value, not wanting to compensate you for your work or your worth. Somebody not wanting to compensate. Not wanting to share. Not wanting to give. You are being underestimated, Virgo. You are being underestimated and you know it. Always stay true to yourself. And if you know your worth, you ask for your worth. Look for that third option. There's an option here. That you can find only, or that will occur, that will happen only by you looking or creating it. There's a third option here for you to create. There's something for you here to create. Take this time to create that option. Take this time to create what it is that you want. In your home life, in your private life, in your personal life. 2, looking within. Sleepless nights, sudden change. Looking within. You know, we see the Hangman card. It's about looking within. The Hermit, looking within. Seeing something within yourself, finding something within yourself. You have the light. You have the knowledge. You have the wisdom to break out of this shell. But you're hesitant to move forward. You're stuck. But sudden change, sudden movements is here. Virgo, the best gift we can give ourselves is the learning how to say no to others. And by letting go of past hurt. And this letting go of past hurts does require downtime. It does not require, or do not feel guilted into doing what you don't want to do. You've given yourself the gift of downtime. You've given yourself the gift of learning to say no. And now is not the time to be guilted into doing what it is that we do not want to do. Do go within to determine why it is that you do not want to do this, or why it is that you feel guilty, or why it is that someone feels that they can guilt you. Final thoughts, final messages. Past hurts, past regrets, partnerships, cutting the ties, stormy weather. We can become so focused on a goal, and we become so focused on a goal that it becomes an obsession. And obsessions often hurt the ones that we care about the most. When we are setting or trying to achieve a goal or create, it is up to us to add the humanitarian point of view, to add the greater good, not the good of one, but the good of many. And it is only when we try to achieve the good of many, the humanitarian, that we exceed our goals. Look towards the humanitarian within yourself, Virgo. And that is the message that I have for Virgo. Thank you, Virgo. You have a blessed week, and happy Thanksgiving if you celebrate Thanksgiving.